Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best Ceramabryte is probably one of the most essential cleaning solutions for any household with a glass or ceramic stovetop, offering a powerful yet gentle formula designed to tackle tough, baked-on messes without scratching the delicate surface, ensuring your cooktop remains looking pristine and new for years to come with minimal effort. Number 5. Ceramabryte Cooktop Cleaning Kit. Introducing the Ceramabryte Cooktop Cleaning Kit. It's designed to make your cooktop sparkle with minimal effort. This all-in-one kit includes everything you need for a thorough clean. From the powerful cleaner to the specialized tools, it handles tough messes. Our formula is tough on grime but gentle on your cooktop surface. Achieve a brilliant shine without worrying about scratches. The included scraper and pads make removing burnt-on food a breeze. Cleaning has never been this simple and effective. Bring back the original beauty of your cooktop with this essential cleaning kit. Enjoy a cleaner, more inviting kitchen. What we like. This kit offers a comprehensive solution for your cooktop cleaning needs. It comes with everything you need to tackle tough messes. If you are looking for an all-in-one package that includes tools for scraping and scrubbing, this is the perfect choice for a deep clean. What people say. It is a great cleaner that works well on glass cooktops. It removed burnt-on food and grease with minimal scrubbing. The cleaner left the stovetop looking shiny and new. Number 4. Weiman Ceramic and Glass Cooktop Cleaner. Introducing the Weiman Ceramic and Glass Cooktop Cleaner. It's a heavy-duty solution designed to tackle tough messes on your cooktop. This powerful cleaner works to remove burnt-on food and grease, leaving your surfaces looking like new. It comes with scrubbing pads for extra cleaning power. Don't let spills and splatters dull your cooktop's appearance. Our formula is specifically made to polish and protect ceramic and glass surfaces. The 10-ounce bottle provides ample product for multiple uses. You'll achieve a brilliant shine with every application. Trust Weiman to keep your kitchen looking its best. Experience the difference a dedicated cooktop cleaner can make. What we like. This option provides a powerful clean that also polishes your cooktop. It's designed to handle tough, burned-on messes effectively. If you want a cleaner that not only removes grime but also leaves a brilliant shine, this is the one for you. What people say. It is a great cleaner that works well on burnt-on food and grease. It leaves the stovetop looking like new. It is easy to use and does not require a lot of scrubbing. Number 3. Weiman Cooktop Cleaner Paste. Tired of stubborn, burned-on food and grease? Our powerful formula is designed to tackle the toughest messes on your cooktop. Say goodbye to endless scrubbing. This cleaner makes removing even the most baked-on residue simple and quick. It effectively eliminates watermarks and smudges, ensuring your glass cooktop is left looking brilliantly clean. Achieve a truly sparkling finish with minimal effort. Your kitchen will look its best after every use. Bring back the original shine to your glass cooktop. It's the perfect solution for maintaining a pristine kitchen. What we like. The paste formulation is excellent for lifting stubborn, baked-on food and greasy residues. It also effectively tackles unsightly watermarks, restoring a sparkling finish. If your cooktop frequently suffers from tough, burnt-on spills or water spots, this paste cleaner is ideal for restoring its pristine appearance. What people say. It cleans and polishes the glass cooktop. It works great on burnt-on food and grease. Number 2. Weiman Ceramic and Glass Cooktop Cleaner Kit. Introducing the Weiman Ceramic and Glass Cooktop Cleaner Kit. Keep your stovetop looking its best with this powerful daily cleaner. Don't let burnt-on food ruin your cooktop. This bundle is designed to handle even the heaviest duty messes with ease. Achieve a brilliant shine on your glass or ceramic cooktop. It's perfect for everyday cleaning and maintaining a spotless kitchen. This cleaning bundle is also safe for your glass induction cooktop. Enjoy a clean surface without worry. With both a daily cleaner and a heavy-duty option, you have everything you need. Get a complete clean for your cooktop. What we like. This bundle offers both a daily cleaner and a heavy-duty option for tackling serious messes. It's designed to handle burnt-on food and tough grime. If you need a versatile solution that can manage both everyday splatters and more challenging cleaning tasks, this combination kit is a great value. What people say. It cleans the stovetop effectively. The cleaner is easy to use and leaves the surface looking like new. A little goes a long way, making it a cost-effective option. Number 1. Weiman Cooktop Cleaning Spray and Microfiber Cloth. Meet the ultimate solution for a sparkling clean cooktop. This powerful cleaner, paired with a microfiber cloth, makes daily cleaning a breeze. Our stovetop cleaner is a proud recipient of a 2026 Good Housekeeping Award. It comes with 2 ready-to-use spray bottles and a soft microfiber cloth for effortless cleaning. Effortlessly tackle tough grease, splatters, and daily buildup. Its effective degreasing formula removes food residue and oily film without harsh scrubbing. Achieve a crystal clear, streak-free finish every time. Simply spray, wipe, and buff, no rinsing or water spots required, leaving surfaces brilliantly clean. This non-abrasive cleaner is safe for a variety of surfaces, including glass, ceramic, and induction cooktops. Use it regularly without worrying about damage. Experience the best in cleaning and shine for your cooktop. Please note, it's designed for cleaning and enhancing appearance, not for repairing existing damage. What we like. This spray cleaner is designed for a quick, easy, and streak-free shine. Its non-abrasive formula is safe for delicate surfaces and it comes with a microfiber cloth for a perfect buff. If you prefer a fast, no-rinse cleaning routine and want a residue-free, polished look without any harsh scrubbing, this daily cleaner is an excellent choice. What people say. It is a great cleaner for glass cooktops. It cleans up spills and burnt-on food with ease. It leaves the cooktop looking like new. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.